Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you a really short video about this magnetic holder for the phones in the car and why is the best one in the market in the moment. Let's go. Alright, let's unbox this box. Inside we have empty phone holder in the plastic bag. Yeah. Then from another side we have a manual. One side is on Chinese language and from another side the same in English. It's quite easy and readable to understand how to use this phone holder. I've been using phone holders for a while, and this is my last phone holder what I've been using, and I won't say it's really bad phone holder, but it has downsides as well. One downside is when you just squeezing this one pin down and then you put it inside the air ventilation, and once it's fixed you can see like it's not perfectly straight, it's a little bit bent up, and your phone actually say a little bit moves to the left, right, and in and out. It's not actually fixed like when you're not able to move them, and every time, like not every day but maybe a couple times a week, and when I just placing phone on this phone holder I need to adjust it just to make sure it's still right for my usage. What is the difference like in this new one phone holder? First, there's more magnets and they are way more stronger. Second, it's a more you can more twist this one head on the left or right or down and up. And third one, mechanism how it holds your phone in air ventilation. How you can see there's a hook, and this is one most interesting parts. When you turn on the left side you can see how the pins comes up, and this will help you. It's gonna help to adjust for your car and keep your phone very steady in your air ventilation system. Once you place inside, you just turn on the backward and tie it up as far you need them and make your phone sit inside a strong and without any movement. In the back we got I think like there's a 3 metal plates with all of them with a double tape. From another side, yeah, we just peel off this part and stick it to your phone. But if you don't want to scratch your phone, there's actually a protective film which you can apply on your phone before you're placing metal plate into your phone. As well, there's a 2-ring one metal plate with the 2 protecting films, and of course you have the alcohol wipe for wiping your phone before you're placing labels on your phone holder or straight away on the phone. In my case, I've been using quite thin phone case, and I don't stick like metal plates on the outside, but I've done a little bit different way. I'm gonna show you. I stick them from inside. Once you place the metal plates inside your phone holder, you can put your phone up, and you can see like it's not sticks up. It looks like still nice and smooth and still doing the job. Like, there we go. It holds your phone. How you can see it's shaking. It's really hard and I can't get down almostly. Okay, with a strong force I get down, but if I compare like the previous one model, I hold it and it comes quite easily, way much more easily, and you can see like when the coverage base is much more wider for the new ones. Now I'm gonna show you how you can install this air vent in your car. Remember, you should get a straight wings in your air vent to hold this phone holder. That's actually not gonna fit for every single car, but for mostly. What you do, just place inside. I'm gonna choose second one, hook. See, once inside, we have still gap. It's going up and down. And what you now do, we just turn this one and tie it up and make more tighter. There we are. And you can hear it goes slower, slower and stronger. Now, what we have, a phone holder which not moves not left, not right, not up and down. And you can adjust your head as well here if you don't want to, when it's just to move too much, left or right. And this is how it should looks like when you get installed in your car. Let's place the phone easily. It gets on and you can turn on left or right. And this is I think best thing what we have like in these magnetic phone holders. You can easily take it off and go away where you need it, and when you come back you just place it in and you can use your phone like your map navigation or a music player or just to make a phone calls. It's always will be right here on the front to you and easy to use. How you can see there's a rubber on the top of the phone holder. It's not gonna scratch your phone. It's easily snaps and go. Again, snaps and go. Adjust, we'll take a look, watch the movies. I'll go in the portrait mode, I'll get in the horizontal mode. You can see, easy, go. Even I can drop it my phone. There you go. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and if you like this video please place a thumbs up, and of course I will place this product link in the description if you want to take a more look on this product in Amazon.